Hi, I'm Cynthia for designs.The, and in this video I will show you those wonderful Hiilos clasps. They are great new clasps because you can mix and match bracelets. So the way how they work, they come with tubes like that. We have different sizes that goes with the different sizes of the clasp. So we have a very large clasp, and then a medium size, and then the small size. They are also magnetic and they are pretty strong, as you can see. So the way how you build your bracelet is you use those little tubes at the end of your design. For example, here I made a peyote band, and if you want to use it just as one bracelet, you can then use that the smaller clasp. You just slide your tubes inside and then attach the clasp this way. So this is only for one bracelet, but the beauty of it is, like I said, you can mix and match bracelets. So let's say I want to show you the medium size. So on this one I use two little tubes to make two different bracelets. As you can see, I can do seed beads, I can do leather, and I also can do normal beads. There are so many different possibilities that you can do with those bracelets. If you want to make just one bracelet with this medium size, you can do something like this one that my daughter made. It's really cute. It has a lot of different material in it, and she used the medium size tube and attach everything together. Then for the bigger size, you can do a this is a kind of a friendship bracelet, and we use only the long tube. But the beauty of that is you could take the long clasp, and let's say I'm going to mix it with something else. So let's try this one, and then I'm going to take those bracelet too, and I'm going to add this one, and then let's add another peyote. And to finish, what about if I add this color? This is just an example that I want to show you. Then on the other side, you start by sliding the last one that you slide, and then you just bring everything inside, and you just close it, and that's it. And look at all the possibilities you can do. I could match any type of bracelet together. They are very light, by the way, and they're very comfortable. So for a large clasp, you can use one long tube, or you can use two medium tubes, or one medium and three small tubes. I'm sorry, one medium and two small tube, and then four small tube like I did on this bracelet. For the medium size, you can use one medium tube or two small medium tube. And for the small size, obviously you use only one small tubes. If you want to see how we finish each bracelet with those tubes, please check our other videos, and check our website, rb.com, to find all those wonderful Hiilos clasps.